Introduction. Maya, the host, appears on screen with a friendly smile and a professional background. Maya, welcome to our channel, where we explore the intersection of technology and entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to talk about how one person can build a business with artificial intelligence. You'll learn how to leverage AI to grow your business, what tools to use, and whether you need experience to get started. It's a topic that's top of mind for many entrepreneurs, and we're excited to share our insights with you. What is AI? Maya, so, what is artificial intelligence, exactly? AI refers to the use of computer systems to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. Think of it like a super smart assistant that helps you make decisions and automate tasks. AI in business. Maya, now, how can AI be used in business? There are many applications, but some common ones include chatbots for customer support, predictive analytics for market research, and automated workflows to streamline operations. AI can help you save time, reduce costs, and make data-driven decisions. AI tools for entrepreneurs. Maya, so, what are some AI tools that entrepreneurs can use? Some popular options include Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Web Services. These platforms offer a range of services, from natural language processing to machine learning. We'll explore some specific tools and platforms in a moment. No experience required. Maya, now, can you start an AI business with no experience? The answer is yes. AI is a tool that can be learned and used by anyone, regardless of technical background. With the right training and resources, you can start building an AI-powered business even if you are not a tech expert. AI business examples. Maya, let's look at some examples of businesses that are using AI to succeed. For instance, companies like IBM and Accenture are using AI to develop chatbots and automate customer support. Others, like Zappos and Amazon, are using AI to personalize customer experiences and improve supply chain management. Step 1. Identify your business needs. Maya, so, how do you get started with building an AI-powered business? The first step is to identify your business needs. What tasks are you struggling with? Where can AI help you save time or improve efficiency? Make a list of your top pain points and priorities. Step 2. Choose your AI tools. Maya, next, choose the AI tools that align with your business needs. This might involve selecting a platform or service that offers natural language processing, machine learning, or predictive analytics. Research and evaluate different options to find the best fit for your business. Step 3. Train and implement. Maya, once you've chosen your AI tools, it's time to train and implement them. This might involve working with a developer or data scientist to integrate AI into your existing systems. Don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out resources and training to get up to speed. Step 4. Monitor and refine. Maya, finally, monitor and refine your AI-powered systems. This involves tracking performance metrics, identifying areas for improvement, and making adjustments as needed. By continuously monitoring and refining your AI tools, you can optimize their performance and drive business growth. Conclusion. Maya, that's a quick overview of how one person can build a business with AI. Remember, AI is a tool that can be learned and used by anyone, regardless of technical background. By identifying your business needs, choosing the right AI tools, training and implementing them, and continuously monitoring and refining their performance, you can build a successful AI-powered business. Call to action. Maya, thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about building an AI-powered business, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll be sharing more tips, tools, and insights on AI entrepreneurship in future videos. Until next time, happy building!